3U form factor in plain English is the size of a packet of bread that you can buy in supermarket, right? So this is a small bread packet. So extremely small in terms of its size and also the corresponding power that is available and the compute resources that you have on board. And what we were asked to do by NASA was to develop a monocular vision solution, so a monocular camera with its own embedded compute board that can establish relative pose to a non-cooperative spacecraft on the range of 50 to 100 meters downstream. So you have another spacecraft out there. It's not cooperating with you in the sense that it's not communicating, it's not telling you where it is or what kind of features it has. It does not have some beacons or some other infrastructure that allows you to triangulate. And all you have is this tiddly-biddly monocular camera. And should be that I am better informed than where I stood before I started learning. Otherwise, it's not useful learning. So, in the context of what we do here, what we talk about it is the regret aspect. So it's fairly formal, and if you read literature in machine learning and specifically stochastic methods for online optimization, there's a notion of regret. So when we started working on the attracting manifolds, we did not tie it with regret because regret was not defined at that time this way. But it just ended up that we discovered that the way we are enforcing our structure is that the efficiency of our learning scheme, it's a continuous time scheme, and in average it goes to zero. It goes to zero because, so these are the estimates of the hyperparameters that you have in your learning protocol. And this is what you would have optimally fit if you had infinite data to train from, and that covered all the domains, and you had infinite memory and compute resources to perform all this offline training, and that would have given you the optimal estimate. So this is the running online learner, and this is what you would have done offline, and this is whatever is your black box neural network, right? So that's like, you can call it as a regressor. And your subsequent opinion makers that are all going to provide their own assessments. Those are the theta k hats, and those are all grouped together in this second layer of learning to provide this composite estimate. Okay? So how does that work? This second layer is informed by what we call the composite estimate. And that's not just, okay, one simple thing you can do is that, okay, I have 10 people giving me 10 assessments.